Hi everyone, hi Dan. This is Jad Mihana. This is a small mini station where I record all my compositions, okay? But all these compositions are original because I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna play each sound, a piano, whether string, piano, brass, section, flute, whatever it is. I can play it from this controller. This controller actually, it's not there where the sound. The sound goes into the PC that's behind the PC, and the PC makes authentic sounds. Okay, but nevertheless, anyway, any composer, class A or class E, he has to start from a station. It can be the station even smaller than this. He has to program everything here and play it with my years of experience. And then every sound you will hear, they will be layered on top of each other according to the picture I see, according to what I feel. And now I'm gonna prove to you how it's made, because the DJ or the sample user, they just drag MP3 and put it there. So I'm a professional composer. I've been playing piano for literally 38 years, 37 years. So anyway, so this is the piano sound. Okay, so now you're gonna hear a string sound. Now you're gonna hear a brass sound, big horns. Now let's say we have a chase scene where we need some strings to make some action. Okay, right now I'm gonna build just a 10-second thing, okay? I'm gonna build the piano and then the strings and then the oboe beneath each other. So that's a piece of music. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna put strings under it. Now I'm going to put some horns. So if you hear it with the strings, now I'm going to add another strings. Now let's say the drums. Cool. So in this way, any genre, whether it's rock, pop, or music, every instrument is laid on top of each other, and there will be a picture. I see the picture, as you saw in my many TBC and many websites. But it's not new. For me, it's a passion, it's a pleasure to just see the picture and feel with it. And each instrument is arranged, and then each note will be exported into sheet music, and then the sheet music to the orchestra, and it will sound grandiose. So here we are, and thank you. Hope to see you soon.